Throughout this course, we have examined the ramifications of climate change on the various aspects of the Earth. The impacts on all aspects from the environment to the economy are staggering. The continent of Australia is one such area particularly prone to these consequences, specifically the diverse environment of the oceans that surround the continent. From the Great Barrier Reef to the deep waters of the Antarctic, the environments are changing rapidly, requiring swift action from the Australian government. Ocean acidification and bleaching have already taken its toll on the waters that surround Australia, and the models suggest it will only get worse unless drastic measures are taken soon. Another area of concern for Australia is sea level rise. Models suggest that under the high emission scenario, sea level will rise between 45 and 82 centimeters by 2090. With a significant portion of Australia's population living in coastal zones, sea level rise can have significant consequences due to the potential damage from storm surge off the coast and flooding events caused by substantial rainfall. Recent models have highlighted what various countries are doing to mitigate the risks associated with a changing climate. While some responses seem theoretical in nature, Australia has actively researching the causes and potential effects for some time. There cannot be a systematic implementation of corrective actions without first analyzing the cause and effects of climate change. The National Climate Change Adaptation Research Facility has been pursuing these noble causes for some time now and consistently provide updates to local, regional, and national agencies on potential mitigation strategies. A recent brief on infrastructure has highlighted such strategies to improve transportation networks, energy supply, water management systems, and communication networks. The brief includes a prioritization of actions such as a redesign, retrofit, and early replacement. The earliest form of climate change response is the acceptance of analysis from organizations such as the NCC-ARF and the implementation of suggested actions. While these strategies are considered best practice, governmental projects may be quicker to adapt than private enterprise due to the cost of implementation. This issue is not isolated to Australia and must be addressed globally if significant changes are to be expected. The benefits of each individual response will not be locally isolated either, but mutually beneficial to everyone around the world.